aka Monroe XO here, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title, this is a little bit different of a sneaker review than I'm used to. I'm gonna call this one my luxury sneaker haul. Recently I was able to cop the Gucci Rhyton sneakers. Let's go ahead and talk about them. First of all, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Also, don't forget to hit that like button if you like hauls and want to see more shoe hauls and sneaker hauls and all that good stuff. I got you. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So first of all, the packaging at Gucci is everything. It comes in this really nice box with a little bow tied on it. Go ahead and open it up, and go ahead and open up the box, and it's just beautiful. When I opened the box, I felt like, oh. First of all, as you can see, each sneaker has its own dust bag. Just look at the make of the shoe. It's so nice, it's beautiful, it's soft leather. The style that I got, everything. Oh, this is what the shoe looks like. So cute, right? I love the chunky bottoms of it. It's just, dad shoes are so in. It's just very retro. It kind of reminds me of being in like middle school with a really chunky trainer. Oh. Did I just say trainer? With a really chunky sneaker on and maybe put some lights in the back. That was life back in the day. But the chunky sneaker is back and better than ever. And Gucci is definitely on that train. I love the Gucci logo that's on the side. There's another one which I'll go ahead and put over here. They have different designs with either the Gucci logo like this, a different logo, and like a dirty shoe with no logo. It's not a dirty shoe, it just looks dirty, looks worn, is the style of it. But yeah, I like the Gucci embroidered stitch on the tongue. The way the shoe feels is just so nice. I got mine in a UK 6.5. The reason I did this was because it felt a little tight in my normal 6, so I went ahead and sized up one which fits like heaven. When you slip your foot inside this shoe, it's everything. It's like butter. It just goes in so smooth, so nice, and it's very padded, like thick, so it's a super comfy shoe. It kind of feels like you're walking on clouds, as I say. The bottom detailing is really cute as well. You have the stars on the sole, and then you also have, like it says, Gucci made in Italy. Just a really cute shoe, really cute. Let's go ahead and cut to an actual try on so y'all can see how these look and I can get off the camera.